Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be trying out these new 24 paint markers set from Decotime. They were £15 from B&M's and they are liquid acrylic paint markers with a soft felt brush tip. And they include metallic and neon colours, and there are the colours that are included in this set. So nice bright colours and neons and metallics, and they are acrylic ink, ergonomic shape, so they're the triangular barrels, and the writing length is 200 meters. So they come in this nice box, quite a sturdy box, and it has a magnetic flap there, so it's quite a nice box. And then inside, in the lid, there is this colour swatch chart, so you can test out all your colours. So the numbers and names of the colours are already written on, and the white spaces to test the paint markers, because when they are wet and when they are dry, they might be a slightly different colour to what is on the lid. So one row for the metallics, one row for the neon colours, and then 2 rows for the rest of the colours. So inside there's a tray with a ribbon on each end, so you can lift out this tray easily, and there are the other colours underneath. So on each pen the colour name is written quite clearly, and the number and the name, and there's also this window so you can see how much ink or paint is left in the pen, which is really useful. And there's a little ball inside, so you can hear that shaking, so you give them a shake and that just mixes up the paint evenly so they're ready to use. And let's test all the colours out. So they are all the colour swatches done, and this is quite shiny sort of card in the lid, so they will take quite a while to dry because it doesn't soak up any of the ink. But they do look like they have quite good coverage. There was a little problem with number 8, Neon Orange. I think they've put the tip in upside down or something, or I don't know what's gone on there. It looks like it's in the wrong way. So I don't know if that's something I can pull out and turn around the other way, but if I do, is all the ink gonna come out? Is it gonna be a big mess? If it's been rammed in the wrong way, would the brush tip even be pointy, or will it all just be squashed? So it does still work, but I don't think I'm gonna risk trying to pull that tip out, because I might just completely ruin the whole pen. So that's a little bit disappointing. So while I wait for that to dry, let's just try the pens on. I've got a scrap piece of paper here that I've tried some other pens on. It's just thin paper, like what you'd get in like a diary or something like that, quite thin paper. So let's see if they bleed through to the other side. So So that is one of the metallic ones, and we'll try that neon one with no tip, but it does still work. It's just there's no fine tip for getting in those little details. And also let's try one of the normal colours as well on this thin paper, but always try the pens first if you're not sure, if you're using it in a diary or a colouring book or whatever you're using it on. If you've got a spare piece of paper at the back of your book, always try it on that, because different papers might have different outcomes. So turning over, they haven't bled through the back, so they have quite good coverage. The neon one, you can still see the little dots of the paper. That blue one's covered it pretty well, and so has the metallic one. So they would make a nice gift for someone in this box, because it's quite a nice box, as long as they're all working and you don't get one with a bit of a dodgy tip on the end of it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.